It's your man TL. I just left the little car show today, Sunday outing. Me and the wife, we had a nice time, but the only problem, it was so cold I had to leave a little early. And it wasn't too many people up there, but I got some footage of it and I'm gonna share with you guys. As you can see what I'm rocking today. Got my little boots on. And my jeans and my jacket. You dig? Real shit. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys this little quick video, so check it out. It's your man TL. Yeah, this is nice. This is beautiful. How you doing? All righty. My homeboys right here.